Pamela Nauta, your Metro Denver real estate agent, and I am here in Parker at the Crescendo collection at Stepping Stone, and we are going to check out Plan 2205 by Shea Homes. This is Plan 2205 by Shea Homes, and it's a 3-story single-family house that is alley-load with a 3-bay garage and a 2nd-story main entrance. There are 2 exterior elevation options, traditional and modern farmhouse, and with this specific model, you have 2 beautiful large covered patios. One is on the main entrance off of the kitchen and dining area, and the other is on the ground level on the side of the house. And this floor plan is on a larger lot that has a front and side yard, so that the ground level patio is a really nice touch. The builder also installs the landscaping, you just have to maintain it. And this floor plan is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and has a little over 2,300 square feet. And there is currently a wait list, and Shea Homes is releasing more homes each month. So if you are interested in this builder and this floor plan, reach out now and let's start the conversation of building your new home at Crescendo at Stepping Stone. And if you have any questions, have a development or floor plan that you're interested in seeing, feel free to contact me and like, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy the tour.